Amazon Prime bundles a lot more than fast shipping, and most people only use it for ordering packages while ignoring the services that already come included in the membership. By the end, you'll know 7 Prime benefits people commonly underuse, what each one actually does, and how to start using them so you get more value out of the same subscription. First benefit is fast delivery perks beyond standard shipping. Prime's main feature is free fast shipping on eligible items, which matters most when you need something within a couple of days without paying extra delivery fees at checkout. Second benefit is streaming content. Amazon Prime Video is included in the membership and gives access to movies and series without needing a separate streaming subscription, as long as the title is included in the Prime catalog. Third benefit is music streaming. Prime members get access to a music streaming option through Amazon Music, which lets you play curated playlists and songs without paying for a separate basic music subscription. Fourth benefit is free games and gaming rewards. Amazon Prime Gaming gives monthly in-game rewards, free downloads, and occasional bonus content for popular games, which most users never activate. Fifth benefit is reading and digital books. Prime Reading allows access to a rotating library of books, magazines, and comics that can be read on Kindle devices, or the Kindle app, without buying each title individually. Sixth benefit is grocery and household delivery options. In many areas, Prime members can access grocery delivery services through Amazon Fresh or Whole Foods partnerships, depending on location and availability. Seventh benefit is exclusive deals and early access. Prime members often get early access to major sales events and limited-time discounts, which can matter most during high-demand shopping periods when items sell out quickly. The main pattern here is that most people treat Prime like a shipping upgrade, when it actually functions more like a bundle of digital services, entertainment access, and shopping perks combined into one subscription. If you already pay for Prime, the easiest win is checking which of these features you've never activated, because many of them are already included at no extra cost. Start with Prime Video or Prime Reading first, since those take less than a minute to access and immediately show whether you're getting full value. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of subscriptions and apps, so you only pay for what you actually use.